Do you wake up dreading the day sometimes? Well, I've got a technique to help you to feel more positive about the day ahead. I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach and I work with businesses and individuals to help people to become more positive quickly. So if you wake up sometimes dreading the day ahead, a great mindset switch, a great technique to use is to promise yourself a treat later on in the day, to make a deal with yourself, to give yourself some sort of reward for the day. Maybe go out for a meal or go to the cinema or go dancing, have a glass of wine, something that is going to make you feel happy at the end of it all. It'll slowly make you into a morning person. And anytime you are feeling a little bit down, just keep reminding yourself of the treat that you've got lined up later on in the day. Keep rewarding yourself with that, the feelings of that. Imagine how it's going to feel and you will feel better about yourself. This week, I'd like you to come up with some treats that would work for you so that when you do wake up having that feeling of dread first thing in the morning, you've already got something to look forward to for the rest of the day. You've already got a treat in mind for the rest of the day. Next week, we're going to talk about positive feedback and how that can make you feel great. To make sure you catch that, subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any treats that you'd like to share them in the comments.